Hello and welcome to another section. My name is Oladoyin Oshundeya, and in this section we'll be doing an introductory to Canva. So if you are just getting started as a beginner and you don't have an account with Canva yet, all you have to do is go to canva.com and log in. They will take you to an interface where you will be asked to log in to create an account, and you can create either a free or paid account. So if you are just getting started, I will advise to start with a free account and explore. Once you explore and you understand how Canva works, then you can decide to make a commitment and subscribe to a paid version. So there are a lot of things you can do with the free version if you don't want to subscribe to a paid version yet. So once you go to canva.com and you log in, you can either create a new account, sign up with your work mail, continue. That's if you already have an account, you can continue with the email or continue another way. So that you can either continue with you can log in with a Apple ID or your Google or Facebook account. You can continue. You can log in with a Microsoft account if you already have a Microsoft account. So there are a lot of ways you can create an account and log in on Canva. So because I already have an account already, I'm just going to go to that interface. I won't need to log into another account again. So once you create your account, you'll be redirected to a platform, to a page like that looks like this. So because I'm using my laptop, the page will be a little bit different from yours if you are using your phone. So if you are using your phone, it's also very similar. You just find out that there are a little bit of changes in the arrangement of the interface, but it's the same thing. You can also navigate the same way. So you don't need to worry if you are using your phone, because this class is majorly focused on phone designers. But I'm using my laptop because it will make it easier for me to record these videos. So let's move on. So once you get to this interface, there are some things I want us to note first once we are starting. And this is their design spotlight. This design spotlight is where you can find different dimensions and different things you can design with Canva. I won't go in depth into their interface because there are a lot of things you can explore and use Canva for. Like right here on business, Canva have a lot of tools. If you are a creative, a business owner, an entrepreneur, and you want to get some tools that can help your productivity or help your marketing or help your sales and everything, Canva has a lot of tools you can use to improve your business. You can also learn. If you are just a beginner, you can also learn from Canva. And this is their tab here, right here. You can get Canva articles and resources. You can go to their design school and get some free tutorials, and you can also get inspirations from other designers that are already using Canva to create projects. So this platform here, this page here is for the subscription. So if you want to subscribe, this is the free account, the pro account. You can either create those ones or go for team accounts. Like if you are working under a team and there are a lot of people that are working with that same account, you can subscribe for a team account. Or education. There's also an opportunity to go for non-profit businesses. So my advice is start with the free account where you don't need to subscribe for anything. Just go for the free account and you'll be able to start creating with Canva. So right here on my right is the icon here where I can open. Because I'm using my laptop browser, I have an app, a Canva app on my laptop where I can open directly from here. I won't be going there right now. I'll go there later. So this here is the account settings where I can go. Okay, they're asking me to continue. So okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'll go ahead to the app and just continue from there. So this is the app right here, and I want to show you some of the things you can explore on Canva. So this right here is the settings. So you can either go to the settings where you can find some of the tools, you can update your profile and the likes. Yeah, I'm not really going to go in depth to this. I'm just going to go back to the home page. So right here on the home page, if you want to start and you want to create a design, you can just go here right at the top right corner here and click on create a design. You can click on create a design. Yeah, and once you click on this, they will ask you if they brings up suggestions for measurements and document sizes. So depending on what you want to create, you can click here, or you can either also search there on top here and search. If I want to create a flyer design, I can just go to flyer and it will give me some suggestions. So it's already giving me some measurement suggestions. So you can also customize right down here. If you want to customize it to my specific need, I can click on customize right here. So because I want you guys to know that you can create even interesting designs if you are just using your free account. I'll be going back to my personal account where I use for free. So this is my personal profile here. This is my personal profile. And you can see, because I want to show you guys this icon right here, I want to show you that if you are using a free account, you'll be seeing these icons occasionally on some of the templates that you'll be using on Canva. So if you want to create a design, you see this icon there, it means it's a paid tool, or it's a paid resources. So you won't be able to use it if you are using a free account. So like now, this is the home page. This is the home page right here. At the left side, there is this menu, this hamburger menu at the left. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see the Canva profiles you have. I have a personal profile where I use a free account. I also have a team profile where I can use for designs for pro design projects, because I belong to a Canva team account, so I am able to use Canva for pro tools. So moving ahead, the next thing I want to show you is the project section. In the project section, you can arrange your projects in folders. Here you can see all the designs you've created. So you can either see your folders or just see all the designs. And because this is the free, I don't really use this profile a lot. I don't really use it a lot for my design. So you can't really see a lot of projects right here. So I'll go back to my home page, and the next place I want to show you is the templates section. In this template section, you can search for templates for your design. So if you want to design for business, for social media, you can see them right here at the left corner. Video, you want to create videos, and there are a lot of things you can create with Canva. So can you see inspirations, recommended presentations for social media, for videos, and for more. So if you don't want to go from this platform, if I go back to my home page right now, I'm going to change my profile back to the team I belong to. So this is the team, and right here at the top where you see what will you design today, you can search for a template right here. You can search for a template right here. So once you click on the templates, if I want to create let's say I want to create an Instagram so it's already giving me suggestions. Sorry. So it's already giving me suggestions. I can either create an Instagram post in portrait format 1080 by 1350 pixels. I can create Instagram post for square 1080 by 1080. So it's already giving me suggestions for what to create. So if I click on it, it will give me some templates that are available for that particular size, for that particular measurement and document size. So if I go back to my home page now, under that you can see the for you section. This for you section is, as you can see, there are some designs I've already created in this profile. There are some designs here, you can already see them here. This is for you section. The next section is the document section, where you can find templates for document based projects. So if you want to create a document to Dex, you can find different templates right here. Let me click on see all. So it will take me to another tab where I can create different types of documents. So I'm just going to go back because I'm not creating anything right now. I'm just trying to show you guys the whole interface. So this is the whiteboard interface. If I want to create whiteboard projects, if I want to create presentations, let's say you want to create a presentation on a particular topic, Canva is your go-to place. So you can either create presentations, brainstorm presentations, game presentations, different types of presentations actually, and you can see the sizes here. You can create a presentation in 16 by 9 dimension. You can create for your phone, for your mobile, and you can create a general presentation 4 by 3, and you can create a brainstorm presentation. You can create a game presentation. So there are a lot of things you can do with Canva. The next one is the social media. This is one of the places I go to most of the times to find templates and sizes for my project. So I won't be going further into that. There is the video section and there is the website section. So you can also use Canva to create simple web pages for your brand. So if you are searching here and you can't find some things there, you can go to the more section where you can find other things that are available on Canva. So you can find other templates and infographics. You can find the photo collage, desktop wallpapers, graphs, and book covers. So if you don't want to go here on this top tab here, you can go to the left side menu here and go to templates. To search for ideas. So I'll go back now. The next thing I want to show you guys is the brand hub. So the brand hub is for you to create, your brand kits. So if you have a particular brand and you have a set of colors you use in your brand, you have some fonts you use in your brand, you can create a brand kit. But what I would like you guys to know is that you can't use this tool if you are on a free account. So if you are on a free account, you won't be able to use this tool. If you have a yellow icon here, the crown icon, like I showed you before. Let's go back. So I'm just going to try and if I go back to the other profile now, my personal profile right here, as you can see, we can't create, it's highlighted in yellow right here. As you can see, we can't create a brand templates here. You can't create brand templates. So also another thing I would like to show you guys is, let's wait for it to load. So it's the apps. So Canva has a lot of apps integrated into their platform. You can use other apps here. So you can see text to image. If you want to convert your text to image, you can use the tool. If you want to mock up your project, there are lots and lots of tools here to use. So sometimes you don't need to go to Google and start searching for some things. You can come here and use these tools. It's just that one of the things is that some of these tools are not available for free. You have to pay to get them. So another thing you can do with Canva is the content planner. So you can use Canva if you're a content creator, you can use Canva to plan your content, for social media. You can go to the smart mockups to mock up your projects, find templates for mockups there. You can also go here to Canva photos. You can upload your photos right here. If you have a material or resources you want to use and you can't find them on Canva, you can also upload them. So right here below is the invite members section. If you want to invite a member to your team, this is where to go. You can add other people to your team where you guys can work together on different projects. If you have a project you're already working on and you've deleted them, you can go here to search for the deleted project. So these are some of the things I've deleted before. In time they would clear this space for me, but right now you can find some of those trashed projects. So that's that for the general interface of Canva. So let's say we want to create a design now. We can either customize size here, go to create a design at the top right corner right here. So if I go to a template, let's say I want to design for social media. I'm looking for templates. Okay, let's say I want to design an Instagram square format. Once I create, they'll take me to the Canva editor studio. This is the Canva editor studio right here. So if you're using your phone, the interface is also similar, just that there are some things you find in other different places, but the interface is similar. So if you are using your phone, just go along with me and you'll be able to find the things I'm doing here also on your phone. So because I just went to create a project, I didn't go with templates. They just opened a blank document for me. So if I want to use a template directly, if I go to templates right here, go to templates, let's say social media, let's go to social media, and let's say I want to design for Instagram. So right here, these are the templates that are available for Instagram posts, square Instagram posts. So let's click on one. Find. As I was saying before, if you are using a free account, you can also work with Canva, and you can also work as a pro user as well. If you have a pro account, you can use all these templates that has this pro icon on them. But if you don't and you just have a free account, you can also use the free templates. So let's just click on this to start to work with. So once you click on the templates, they will open this tab for you, and you can see some other alternative templates, similar templates to this one, or maybe similar templates from the same creator, and you can explore. And if you see other things you are interested in, you can click on them. But let's say we just want to go with this one, you can go to customize this template, click on that. So once you click on that, to open the Canva editor for you, to load the template for you. Let's wait till it loads everything. Okay, so let's move on. So in this section now, this editor mode, you can find some of the tools and settings for your project. Right here is your artboard. This is your design board where you have your design page. This is where you'll be editing, checking your design, arranging, and coming up with design concepts. So if you just want to edit this one, you can go ahead and edit it. But before we move on, I will be going to this section at the left corner. So at the left corner right here, you can see they have some tools that are available for you to use. Yeah, if you go to design, you can search for other templates, templates to use. Go here, you can search for other templates to use. You can see different templates to use for your design project. You can come up here on the search tab and search for your design. Let's say Facebook designs. So as you can see, they're already giving me other templates right here. On the elements tab, you can also find materials right here. So I think I'm going to be using my free account to explain some of these things to you, because I want you guys to know that you can use some of these tools for free. So let's go back to the home page. Change my profile to the personal. This is where you can use, I can use this for free. So let's browse the templates as we've done before. Go to templates, and just go to, okay, we are designing for Instagram square posts. So let's see if we can find that same template there. Okay, this is the same template, and as you can see, it's free to use. Okay, so as you can see, in this section here on the top, this navigation bar at the top here, you can go to file. You'll be able to create a new design, import your files, your view settings. You want to save your design, you can check if your design is already saved or it hasn't been saved. You can save to a particular folder. You can make a copy of that design. You can download your design when you are done with it, and you can also view some of the designs with some of the steps you've taken so far. And I think that is only available for free. That's why I wanted you guys to see my free interface here, so you'll be able to know what you can do for free and what you can do for free. So I will advise that you guys go and explore these different things, so you'll be able to know what you can do with Canva. So one thing I want you guys to see especially is this view settings. In these view settings, you'll be able to see some of the view and alignment settings you have on your rulers and your guide. So those tools are very important if you want your designs to be well aligned and to be clean and simple. So you can hide your margins. And you can go back there. Let's go back there and show them. So I want that to be on. So I want to show margins. So I don't know if you can see this. This is the margin here. So most of the times I make sure my design don't exceed this margin. So but there are sometimes, like this template now is already exceeding it, so it's already passing that margin. There are sometimes you design and you just want more room to work. You just make sure there are enough space. There are enough space at the side here before your design. It's really important. It makes the design look clean. So let's move on. Let's say we want to edit this. You can click on this text right here. Once you click on this text right here, you can reduce the size. You can increase the size. You can change the color. Click on this A icon here. You can change the color. You can change the color. Say you want to change the color to purple. Okay, it's already purple before. Let's change the color to blue. Okay, yeah. So you can change the color. You can resize. You can change your font right here. So you can change your font. Can you see right here? Even the fonts here, there are some fonts that are available for free, and there are some fonts that are not available for free. So in our next video, I'll be showing you some other things you can do with we'll be exploring more of the interface of this editor interface. So see you in the next video.